Hi guys, welcome to Subbo lighting ceremony, and just we completed the lighting ceremony here and it looks really good. Come along with me, we can just go and check there. So they're now having quite a lot of functions here. We are really not sure what are the functions which are going on, but this happens every December 1 at 6 p.m. Lighting ceremony takes place at 7. So guys, these are the food sections and they have quite a lot of food. So when you come here, you can have a lot of food. If you're a foodie, they have tons of food here. And I think it's quite cheaper as well. So because we are quite full, so we are not going to try any food, but make sure to visit this place. I mean, if ever you guys are, really interested. You can see they have like quite a lot of beverages, French fries, and basically it's snacks and lunch. So yeah, I mean, if you really want to calm somewhere, enjoy somewhere, relax somewhere, you can come here and enjoy the view along with the food. And the funny part today, they have over minimum of 25 drones in the air. The thing is, my drone was almost out of signal. It was about to drop, but thankfully because of DJI, they have this wonderful feature in which the drone automatically returns home, even though if it's not connected with the RC. And because of the fireworks, I don't know what really happened there. The drone got disconnected from the remote, but thankfully the drone returned back. Here guys, they are running a charity here. They are helping the people who were affected from Typhoon Tino, the earthquake. And the government is so kind, especially sponsor of this amazing tree here in Fuente. They are the ones to help around, I think, 500 families. They are just helping the people of Cebu. People should be inspired by this act of kindness that they show to one another. Okay guys, so this is the entrance where you guys can come in. Actually, I'm not sure if it's the way to go out as well, but this is the entrance though. I'm gonna show you one of the best foods that I've tried personally in Cebu City. That's Paterniyaki. It's not a paid collaboration, but the food here, it's amazing. Like they have unli combos, all the food categories that they serve. The place that Pater was born was in Mindanao, and that's their own food. You can see the level of crowd that it has. Like the police is having a hard time controlling the crowd. It's because they actually closed the entry for all the people, and now thankfully they opened, and I think more than 1,000 people are just inside this small circle. So it's pretty hectic. Police have did their best job to control the level of people here, but yeah, they closed the doors. I'm not sure how we are going to exit it. Whenever they see camera, they end up smiling, they end up staying in one place, and they end up giving poses. As always, people in Cebu, you guys are awesome. Oh my goodness, I think they're going to open the second batch right now. Push inside. If you could see the level of people just standing outside, it's crazy. So we have never seen Fuente like this. I've been here for almost 4 years, and this is the first time I'm seeing Fuente like this. It's pretty busy, like it's really crowded with tons and tons of people. I think more than 3,000 to 4,000 people are here. I'm not sure, but it's just an estimate. If you could see, the entire road is blocked with tons and tons of people, and the police is doing their job as always to take care of the people in a in a safe way again. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure, if you ever drop by Fuente, you visit this place, especially during the night. It's a wonderful place where you can sit, hang out, and have some fun. See you in the next one.